How y'all doing? My name is Arnisa Bralum. Welcome to my channel. And today we are getting into this look right here, okay? I don't really have anything funny, I'm not really talking about anything. It's really just focusing on the look for today. So, you already know, sit back, buckle up, and let's get into some makeup, shall we? So for today, I have an idea. I have a thought, I have a process. Hoping I can execute this properly. So we're going to start with the Melt Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow Base. I'm going to use it in shade Fresh. I'm going to go each eye because I've learned I think that just works better for the blending process with these, because these dry sort of quickly, which isn't a bad thing. I enjoy it, but they do dry sort of quickly. So when using this, I would recommend one eye at a time for the girlies who like to go quick. Okay. On the base, let's take the other eye. As you guys can see, I have my Targaryen brow. I've been thinking, since I have been getting asked quite a bit to incorporate more of the, like, everyday, more simple looks, I'm gonna try to give you guys, I'm gonna try to go, like, grunge, in my mind, out of, like, grunge, editorial, in-depth, and then an easy, more everyday look. I'm going to try to go every other. I'm going to try. So that's what I'm going for in my mind. So we'll see. Okay. So now that the eyes are prepped, I'm going to do this eye, and then we're going to come back, and we're going to get into this one, okay? Okay. So this is what we have. This is not what I had planned. Not even a little bit. Not even half of it. Like, I don't really know what this is. I have no idea because this is not what I planned. When I started doing what I saw in my mind, everything just started to get f***ed up. So, I haven't fully decided if I hate it yet. I'm trying to continue with it and just see what I can do with it. So we're just gonna go with that. We're gonna go with that. So, to do this, I'm using two Juvia's Place palettes. I'm using the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place, and I'm using the Berries by Juvia's Place. So in the Warrior's Juvia's Place, I'm just going to use the black. So you can use any black shadow that you want. And I'm going to go out and kind of make somewhat of a cat eye. Somewhat. I just want to go in. Kind of straight. Fill that in a little. Okay, and then I'm gonna go, so I'm gonna show you what I first did with this and then clean it up, because it kind of, I guess, in a bit it'll help. I'm not too worried about this getting messy, one, because as of right now, I don't really think I give a but also because I'm gonna Q-tip it. So, yeah, we've got these two parts. I think I am still going to try at some point in the very near future to do what I wanted to do in the first place, which was, I don't want to explain it, but you'll see. Hopefully I can figure it out. So, once I let that sit, I'm going to close this up for a little bit. Now I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place. Now for this eye, I went to like 3 different colors because I started doing something completely different, but I'm not doing any of that. So, we're just going to use this little purple color in this palette right there. And take the shadow brush and just fill it in, but keep it kind of tight. So, just saturate that eye. Y'all listen to Jelly Roll? Because I found a song of his. I don't remember how I came across it, but it did. And it's called Get By. That's how I get by. That's what I'm listening to on repeat. I've been listening to this all day. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so now that we've got that, I am going to take a Q-tip and just clean up a little bit of the liquid to shadow. because I want it real clean. Now, I'm going to go back in to the black shadow and create the line. And when I take it from here, I'm going to take it and go straight because I kind of want that negative space right there where I put the gems. I want that negative space. So I'm going to try to be neat with this, but Q-tips. Alright, that is not perfect or quite like the other side, but we'll get there. I am going to take that big part right there, this, and I'm going to clean this up and just go straight down. Just clean that right on it. It's okay if you erase something with Q-tips because there's nothing else on my face, so I'm not too concerned. Yeah, I'm going to clean this up, and then we're going to put in this other color in the negative space. Okay, now that we've got the negative space, I'm going to go back into my Juvia's Warrior 2 palette. I'm going to use that Kana color and just fill that in a little bit, just to slightly highlight it. That's it, just a little bit, okay? And now I'm going to close this up. I'm going to go back into the Berries palette. And I'm going to take that same purple shadow color and just lightly go underneath of this really quickly. Done. Just a little bit. Now I'm going to go put my little gems on and then we're going to do the base. Forgot actually. I'm going to go in to this and I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here, go all up in there, and kind of just right at the bottom. Just for a little dimension. Not the whole piece, literally just like a tiny little mound. Just a little bit. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but you can see it in real life, and that's what really matters here, people. 1 second. So now that we got that, I'm gonna add a little something in the end because I need to like this more. I need to like this significantly more because I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. But it's whatever. For right now, we'll go with it. So I'm not really feeling too much. We're gonna go in for the base. I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever HD Skin Palette. It's got all these colors on it. Wipe this off because I see a little black pigment and I do not want that to mix in with anything. Okay, it's also late and I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not putting any primer on. I won't be putting setting spray on. I won't be doing any of that. None of it. See? Two-toned. Doing it simple. Gonna blend this out. I'm gonna take my Danessa Merrick's Yummy Skin Blurring Balm. Now that I've done that, I don't even feel like putting cream blush on right now, so I'm not going to. We're just gonna go in with powder. Use my Dion Cosmetics loose powder. You see that blur? Do you see it? Got the loose powder out the way. I'm gonna go into my MAC Studio Fix press powder. Done. Now I am gonna use blush. My Tarte Blushing Bride Amazonian Clay. Using my ColourPop Vanilla Bean highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna add some more face gems, and I think a bottom lash, and then we'll get into the lip. Okay, so I've done my dots. I've got a little thing going on. I like it a little bit more. So now let's get into the lippy. I'm gonna start with my Epic Smoke Liner by NYX Black. Okay, so got that. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna get into my Sephora Me and Only Me. Okay, so it was a long journey. It's a long journey here, but I like it. I hope you like it. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you don't, you already know, keep that to yourself. Okay, okay. And I will see you guys in some days. Again, I'm hoping to come in next time with a more simple look and just do simple, excessive, etc, etc. You feel me? So, yeah. See you guys in some days. Bye.